Okay.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Damanji.
सर का वीडियो हैंग हो गया.
मेरा
यस सर.
मेरा हैंग हो गया.
यस सर.
But you are able to hear me.
I can see you.
Yeah, you can see me, right?
Yeah.
So where is Geeta, newcomer? Newcomer Geeta is not to be seen. We have Ram. Ram, newcomer, is there.
Sir.
Where is Geeta? Geeta is not to be seen.
Sir, this Galaxy 7.
Galaxy 7 could be probably Sandeep Panda's son. Sandeep Panda?
My son is with name Naman.
Naman. Okay. Then who is this Galaxy?
Naman.
Galaxy J7 Prime is there. I think maybe it is Geeta. Yes, could be. Let us see whether she is able to. Where is Galaxy? It went off, right? No. Galaxy J7 Prime. Is that Geeta?
Yes, sir.
Oh, good. How come you're actually I was able to see your name yesterday and all, but today it is.
I'm mentioning many.
You're changing the name, huh? Okay.
No, I'm entering the name.
Entering
my mobile name.
Okay. Okay, so let us all give a warm welcome to two of our newcomers. One is Ram, then the other one is Geeta. Okay. Now instead of me talking now, I want each one of you to take 1 point. Okay, 1 point only, not more than 1 point, and the same point should not be repeated by another person. Okay. To advise Ram and Geeta that how they should anticipate the journey of this real estate business is going to be for the next 1, 2, 3 months. Okay. Your experience in the last 1 or 2, 3 months, what you have seen, you need to say that. And what would you like to advise these people that what they should do, where they should focus, how they should approach the business. Okay, only 1 point you will talk. Okay, let me start with I will start with Damneji. You give 1 point. Okay, I will call out names and I'll mute everybody because there will be disturbance, and then that person alone should actually unmute and then speak. Okay, 1 second. Damneji, you can unmute and speak. You can unmute and speak. Yeah. One single advice only you should give. And that should not be repeated by others. So Ram and Geeta, please pay attention to what Damneji is saying. And you also give a little background about yourself. What is your background? And what is your ambition after joining Remax and my team? That also you can say.
Okay, sir.
Good morning, Geeta ji. This is.
And also Ram is also there.
Ram.
Sir, can we hear from them first, sir?
Huh?
Can we hear from them first, who they are?
Very good, very good. Yeah, that's a good thing. Yeah, correct. Geeta, yeah, we'll start with Geeta. Geeta, you introduce yourself.
Good morning, all.
Yeah, Ram.
Able to hear me, sir?
Yeah. Go ahead, Ram.
Sir, able to hear me? All of you able to hear me?
Yes.
So myself, Ram, basically residents in North Bangalore, in Vidyanapura. I'm basically do my own business, like I do home loans and business loans. So a couple of days back, I just listened to Sridhar's presentation and he explained about what is the Remax and what the goals I can achieve in this. So based on my what I can do in this real estate industry, I thought those things and the thought of joining in Remax. It's a very new for me. Real estate is very new for me.
Okay, so that is Ram. That is about Ram. Geeta?
Hello?
Yes, Geeta. Yes.
Well, good morning, everybody. I'm Geeta.
Hmm.
I'm a small-time developer. I've done 2-3 projects in Bangalore and a couple of projects in Tumkur also. Can you all hear me?
Yeah. We are all able to hear you. Yes, absolutely loud and clear. Yeah.
Yeah. So then I came across Mr. Sridhar about 3 days back. And after, though I was a developer, I was not very clear about my path. I was not very clear about how to promote real estate. So when I came across Mr. Sridhar and his speech, I got a confidence that I can succeed in my goal, what I want to do. So I decided to join Remax and I've joined.
Okay, good. How many years of experience you have in real estate?
I have about 22 years of experience.
22 years of experience. Yes.
Though I am in real estate for past 22 years, I did not succeed my goal because I think I was not in my right path.
All right, fine. Okay, so thanks for the introduction.
Now I
the-
think I have
Huh.
come on to the right path and come on to the right place.
Yeah, of course you are. Definitely. Yes, Damniji, now you can proceed.
Okay. Good morning, Gitaji. This is Damne here. I'm from Nasik. I am also a developer, a small developer in Nasik, and I'm into real estate for almost 15 years. So it's a warm welcome for both of you, Geeta and Ram. You are on a right path now. Whatever you have chosen, the path of learning or marketing. So you can learn from KG to PhD. You can definitely get the mastery in selling real estate, and all the best for you. You have to learn this very meticulously. Whatever instructions are being given, it should be followed on day-to-day basis and do the homework, whatever is being learned. This is what in one line I would like to advise both of them. And for Ram, you said that you have not aware of anything in real estate, but you have passed already 70% of the path, whatever you have done in home loans. You know major things.
Yes.
Now only you have to learn how to sell the property, market the property. Marketing is only to be learned, and this all 25% learning is very positively. You can learn it from Sridhar sir or whatever group we have. You can interact with each other and get good business. Only my advice will be you have to focus on selling now. You know most of the things in real estate. You don't say that I don't know anything, but you have got very good knowledge in real estate, basic knowledge of buying, selling property. You know it. Only you have to do the marketing of marketing and selling in this particular field. And in one line, I will say, whatever is being taught is to be mugged up like a KG student. We don't know anything. We have to listen to the each and every word of Sridhar sir. Then you will become a guru in this real estate. That's all.
Thank
All
you,
the best.
sir.
All
Thank
the
you, sir.
best.
Thank you.
Okay, now moving on to Ashley.
Sir, from my side, there is only one thing which I would suggest. That is, this is going to be a daily learning experience, and should not miss any class. Should not miss any class in the morning. This 5:30 to 6:30 class is very important, mostly from the point of view of learning only. And there is not a single class where I have not learned something new, or I have not been put on the path where I am going to learn something new. And there is so much to learn, even if you have been in the field for 10 or 15 years, like Damne sir is learning something new every day. So I'm sure that every day will be a new learning experience. And that's, I think, the most exciting part of what you're going to do. The learning will be the most exciting part. I think that is what I would say.
Very nice. Good. Anand. Anand.
Yeah. One tip or one this thing which I would like to advise both the newcomers are see directly or indirectly, I think about the real estate to an extent, you people are aware of it and you are working on it. But the latest trend, as you all know, it's all about the technology and social media related stuff. So that is one area where you have to focus and then get a hold on both the aspects. That's when your real estate related activities will start working.
Very
Thank
nice.
you.
Good. Gautam Naik,
Yes, sir.
what is the advice you would like to give to these two people, new people?
Good morning, Gitaji and Ram.
Good morning.
I joined Remax on 11th of May. That time I was very new in real estate. Now almost completed 3 months. Before that, I attended 4 days of free training on real estate. So I felt like doing Remax. And every day I'm learning new things in real estate. Whenever I have to follow a proper system and execute it, there can be a huge success in real estate.
System. You are saying system. Okay.
Yeah, whatever you are teaching
Right.
us.
Right. Okay. Now, all the three people that you have now spoken, you have given a good advice to both of them. The rest of the people who are going to come forward now, I want you to touch upon the system point that you have learned in the last 2 months. And those systems, what are those systems? You keep telling them, right? Touch on that particular system, like how Anand touched on the subject of social media, right? Like that, you touch on that, system and tell them what they should do. So not that they are aware of that, they don't know what are those systems and all that, but even then you specify, because when it goes to their mind today, they might probably ask me later on, sir, I want to learn that, I want to learn this, okay? And I can give them those kind of right advice at that point of time. Whatever learning is required, I can give them. So the rest of the people should say that, okay? Now I would call upon Dr. Chavan. Though you are new, I think you are just about 15 days old, 10, 15 days old. But I think by 15 days, you are now reasonably become a little knowledgeable.
Yes,
So,
all of you. Yeah.
So you can,
Yeah.
what advice would you like to give these two people?
Okay.
Touch on the system. Yeah.
Yeah. As I said that any system, it has got its own flow. Okay. We have to be with the flow. Okay. Until unless we will not follow the flow. Okay. Until unless we will not learn ABCD, we will not able to make the sentence. We will not able to make the grammar. The system we have to follow systematically. Sometimes it is difficult to learn, but once we start practicing, it is very easy. Because there are so many systems are there, which is the best here, which we found day-to-day by your daily goals, weekly goals, monthly goals, yearly goals, long-term goals, if you make, and use the system to acquire the goal. Until unless you will not have the dream, burning dream, your desire will not be there, then only you will start to doing this thing. Otherwise, most of our time, what we are doing it either wasting on time on TV or chatting or WhatsApp, which is very important. We have to follow the flow. That's all. It is very important in the system.
Right. Very nice. Dilip, come forward and say what is that system that they have to follow.
Yeah. Good morning to all, and special for Ram and Geeta. Sir, now what we are doing is in lead generating in this Remax. Now we are looking for posting in Facebook and this in a CRM portal and to Remax is Reality. What we are generating the lead is like direct clients, which we look after into this sales part, sales and buyers into direct. Like now, most outside you have this one we do leads generated to media, but in this we have a chance to make a direct sales and getting the clients, and the way of speaking with the clients, how to generate where to interact with the client, everything we can learn from sir. This through Remax we have a training, how we get the clients, how we are able to handle the clients, the process of the system. First we have to fill with the form of a site visit form, and then there's client registration,
Fine.
the way direct handling the clients.
Very nice. Right.
In the commission part, anything you can get it clear with the client anytime. Now after visiting the property, client can't go direct.
Yeah. What he's trying to say is that we have a form, we have a client registration form, we have a property registration form, and we have a site visit form. Okay, these three things have to be documented. Means the opposite party should sign the document. Wherever you are finding that the opposite party is not signing the document, that means his intentions are not good. His intentions are not clear. He will not be willing to pay you brokerage, and there is no point in working with those people who are actually not willing to sign a document and give you. Example, now you are sourcing a property for sale. The property seller should be willing to follow our procedures. Okay, we are saying we are ready to sell your property, but we are banking on the brokerage that you are going to pay me after I deliver the service to you, which means I am going to sell the property to somebody. You are going to get money from the opposite party, buyer, and once you get your money, you are going to pay me brokerage, right? So I want you to give a commitment to me that you are going to pay my brokerage. So here is a form. The form says what is your property details, description of the property, what is the value that you want to sell it at, right? All that you are going to put that, and then finally you say that I am willing to give you 2% or 3% plus GST. This is the commitment that I'm going to give you, and he signs the document and says that I'm willing to give you that. So if he says no, wo sab chhod do, don't worry, gentleman agreement, we are there over the phone, I'll tell you all these things. No, nothing of that sort. If he says like that, then there's no point in selling his property. We should not do that. So unless it is in writing, you should not do that. Number one. Number two, when it comes to client registration means the buyer who is willing to purchase a property, he should be willing to give you brokerage. Not for new property purchase, for resale property purchase. Okay, new property, we don't claim any brokerage from buyers. But for resale, we charge brokerage. The brokerage varies from 1% to 2%. The maximum that we get is 2%. We have got, Anand has got 2% commitment and all from the buyer, who has said that I am willing to pay you this brokerage. So that client registration form has to be filled up. Then to that client, you might show 5 to 10 properties or 15 properties. Okay, so each property will have to have a site visit form. Okay, the site visit form has to be filled up by you, signed by him, saying that I've seen the property, and in that site visit form there is something called feedback. So in that feedback, he should give his view that I am interested, I am not interested, I would like to see this with my family and friends. Whatever it does, there are some checkpoints which are there. He has to fill that up and give it to you in writing. Okay, why all these things are taken? To protect your brokerage. Okay, after the sale is happening, or after the deal has happened, or without your knowledge, if the deal happens, we have a hold to claim our brokerage, provided we have a document. This white sheet only, it's not going to be a stamp paper or something like that. Even a white sheet of paper, the property form is filled up in that with Remax logo on top of it, and then he signs it. Tomorrow he doesn't give you the brokerage, we can always send him a lawyer notice, and the moment lawyer notice goes to him, he will cough up your money. He will not like to go to the court and all that. Since if the document is not there, we can't claim this. Okay. Anyway, we have not gone to that stage at all. We have not gone to that stage at all. But we want to protect ourselves. So therefore, this documentation, which is a system, has to be followed. Move on. Next we will move on to Alpesh. Alpesh, you please give advice to them as to what they should do.
Yes, sir. Good morning. Good morning, Mr. Ram and Geeta ma'am. The advice, I'm also new actually. Hello.
Yeah, tell me.
I'm also new in this field. So what I have learned in this program is to follow the system. Like once you get the leads, then communicate with them by messages, and if at all possible, then talk to them and get their feedback. If you do the system 100%, then the success is guaranteed.
Okay. So what
Yes,
Alpesh is saying that, when how to get the brokerage confirmation part of it. So this is a refreshing for all of you also. Okay. Whether now some of you know whether you are following this or not, and if you are not following, you can follow from now at least. The system, what system I have introduced is that till the time we get a brokerage confirmation in writing, either through email or through WhatsApp or through the documentation part, either of these three should be there with us. Only then we will get into even conversation with them. So what does it mean? The first time when you identify a property, you are going to send him a message that I am so and so from business associate of Remax, which is an international broking firm. There is a template that we have. The template I'll be giving it to you. Okay, just copy paste that template and send it to them. The template very clearly says that I am Geeta, business associate of Remax, which is an international broking firm having 8,000 offices in 118 countries with over 135,000 agents. Okay, one of my client is interested your property is likely to match with one of my clients' requirement. Okay, that's all. Stop. Would you be interested in dealing with us? This is the first message which will go to him. On receiving this message, he will reply yes, or he will keep silent. If he replies yes, you have a chance to send him the next message. If he keeps silent, then you will send him one more message after 1 or 2 days time. Till such time he responds, you are not going to call him. Either he calls you, he should call you, you should not call him. Okay. Then when he says yes, then the next message will go saying that thank you so much for your confirmation. Right? We charge, our brokerage fee is X percentage. If it is rental, we'll say 1 month plus GST. If it is sale, we say 2 or 3% plus GST. And this is our charges. Please confirm your acceptance to proceed further. Okay. This is where what happens. Either he will agree, he'll say, okay, confirmed. Or he will say, no, this is too high, we need to negotiate. Okay. Even at the negotiation stage, I have got another template of message that why we cannot negotiate. Then finally, when he agrees, only then you will pick up the phone and talk to him. Till then, you will not talk to him. Because why this system is being followed? Because every time, whenever you speak, whenever you pick up the call and talk to a person, the person will be able to, depending on the way you communicate, right? He will be able to gauge and judge whether I can negotiate further down or not. Supposing your tone goes in a language which says, sir, 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 then he will dominate you. Okay. When he says, when you talk in this language, he will dominate you. When you are not speaking to him, he doesn't know what kind of a person you are. He will only go by the presentation of the company. The company is big enough. Okay. The company's projection you have already given, saying that 8,000 officers, 135,000 agents, blah, blah, and all those things. Okay. So therefore, at that point of time, he will think that, okay, I think if I don't agree, since they have got huge network, it is possible that they might sell my property faster. So he will agree. Okay. But if you have spoken to him over the phone, based on the language and based on the knowledge that you have, for example, Ram is very good at, a loan, but he may not be able to talk very well about real estate. So he may fumble. He may make mistakes while talking the first time. That will actually give him an impression that I can dominate this person and bring down the brokerage. So therefore, I don't encourage any kind of conversation happening in the first place. Unless you are too good in your communication, unless you have rich experience, unless you have the authority to speak to him in such a manner that, look, you need to do business in my terms and conditions, right? because you are wanting your property to sell. I am here to sell your property, but I will do at my terms. My terms is 3% plus GST. Accept it. Okay. So why get into a discussion and get into a negotiation? If he's already giving a WhatsApp confirmation to you, happily after that you can talk. You got the point? It makes sense. Geeta and Ram, does it make sense what I'm saying?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So the same thing is with the buyer also. The buyer also, you need to get confirmation, because the buyer will always demand, say that he doesn't want to pay brokerage at all. Nobody wants to pay brokerage, neither the seller nor the buyer also. Okay. But our job is to, our living is based on only brokerage. So we need to secure our brokerage. So this, without the security of this brokerage, 95% of the people, 80% of the people, I would say, no, I wouldn't say 95%, 85% of the real estate agents, they don't know how to ask brokerage also. So they think that, okay, service de denge, mera service deke wo de denge, ganta denge wo, kuch nahi dega. After that, after all the job is over, he will give you 10,000 rupees and say, kiya kya aapne? Aapne kiya kya hai? Property to dikhaya, bas, that's all. Baki sab maine kiya na. This is what he will say. So it is always better to behave in a professional manner right from the beginning. Okay, this is as far as the brokerage part, which is very important. Dilip brought up this point. Thank you, Dilip. So I thought I should dwell on this and tell you this. Next, we will move on to Srinivas Murthy. Srinivas Murthy ji, please, what is your tip to them?
Thank you, everybody. So welcome to first woman entrepreneur, Ms. Geeta and Mr. Ram. I hope I'm audible.
Yeah, you are audible. Yes.
So what my advice for both you is, believe in yourself, and a lot of motivational things he will give. Those things will take you whatever you want in your life. So keep following him and believe in yourself and do whatever you want. You will get touch with things.
Can you touch on some system that you are following that you?
That's what the motivational things, what it teaches, that is the system. It will take you whatever you want in your life in this field.
Okay, great. Narayan. Narayan, please come forward and you are advised.
Yeah, good morning, Mr. Ram and Ms. Geeta. Welcome to Remax. Myself, Narayan from Goa here. My advice to you is, in this age of the pandemic, you have to be a digital real estate consultant. Earlier, people used to work in a traditional manner. But nowadays, due to this pandemic, it's become difficult for people to come to the site and view the properties. So here in this mentorship program, Sridhar sir has taught us how to become a digital real estate expert. There are various platforms where you can post properties, and there are a lot of digital. He'll give you
digital tools
where you'll become an expert, and sitting at home, you can do 80% of your job, and then remaining 20% you can go on the field and do the job. So that's the only advice I can give.
Right. So now, based on that, I'm going to give a tip on this. You see, you have a wealth of opportunity across the country. Now you need to keep your ears and eyes open and see in the entire country, which is the project which is very, very attractive. For example, I'll tell you, there is a project in Noida called the World Trade Center. Okay, 21 lakhs if anyone invests, he will get a monthly return of 1% on that value, which is about 21,000. And this will go on for next 21 years. Because the project is being done by World Trade Center, which is a very big name. Anybody will accept it, right? And the project is actually under construction. It will take about 2 years for them to complete the construction. So for the next 2 years time, he will get at the rate of 1% return. And post that, when the tenant comes in, the tenant is BlackBerry. BlackBerry company has already taken it for 21 years lease. Okay. This company is going to pay rent, and the rental value of that value also will come to the person who is investing this 21 lakhs. 21 lakhs is a minimum size of 250. More details I'll give you about this project later on. So this is one project which is available in Noida. which can be marketed sitting in Bangalore. How if you are able to identify customers either in Bangalore or in Delhi also, right? All that you need to do is nurture that lead till the time he is ready to visit the spot and then take a decision. Okay, or sometimes he might say that, okay, give me a presentation. World Trade Center is very well known to me. Fine, I just give me a presentation. You can bring in the developer here to give a presentation for that. Okay, so when he does the job of doing that, then what happens when the deal closes? You get your commission. Okay, but you are sitting in Bangalore and you are able to market a property in Noida. There is another property in Kolkata, which is Imami Reality. They have a beautiful scheme. 9% down payment you make, okay, and then 80% will be funded by the bank, and the balance 11% of the value, the tenant can make the payment. The buyer can make the payment on an installment basis to the seller, Imami. So how is it going to benefit a guy who is in rental apartment now today? This Imami property is a ready to move in property. Okay, he can, the moment he is getting funding support from bank and that is confirmed, and he is able to pay around 9% of the total value of the this thing, which comes to around 5-6 lakhs rupees. Okay, if he makes that payment, then he will be getting an opportunity to move into the apartment, and registration would have done, because bank will not fund without registration. So bank will fund, say, registration would have happened, but still there will be an outstanding of about 11% payment. The rental money that he was paying, right? Anyway, he was paying that money he can pay to the Imami. So this is a very good scheme. So you can find customers in Calcutta sitting in Bangalore. Okay, by digital marketing, by Facebook advertisement. You can just focus only on Calcutta local, right? And then generate leads from there. You coordinate from here, sitting from here. Talk to them over WhatsApp, over phone call, over Zoom call, and all that. And when the customer is ready for inspection, you need to tie up with the sales team of Imami. Sales team of Imami will take over from there. Then they will arrange car pickup. The customer will be picked up from his house. He will be taken, site inspection will be done, closing will be done by them, but brokerage will be given to us because we generated that lead and we gave. So does it make sense that we can do business anywhere in the country, anywhere in the world today? Ram and Geeta, can you understand
Yes,
this?
sir, yes,
Yeah.
sir,
Earlier, our mind was confined only to our local area. I think we thought we can do business only within our own circle, within our own area. But now the world is changing. You can do business anywhere in the country, sitting at home. Okay, so that is the power of digital world. Okay, next we will move on to Manjunath. Manjunath, what is your advice to these two people?
Yeah, good morning to all.
Good morning.
So my main advice, like what I have learned after joining Remax, is finding prospect every day. At least finding, talking to 2 prospects, either a buyer or a seller. So that will keep building our database, and that needs to be done on a regular basis, which can help us closing more deals.
Okay, one of the system that we follow is every day minimum 2 properties to maximum 5 properties you should prospect. It is more number of properties are required as far as resale properties are concerned. As far as developers are concerned, you need to focus on 5 developers. Each one of you should focus on 5 developers. Out of that 5, any 2, we will give 100% attention to that and we can market. I'll tell you how the developers thing can be done a little later. More time will be there. We'll spend some time. One-on-one discussion and all will happen after 2-3 days of mentorship program. We will have one-on-one discussion where I'll sit with you for 1 hour, 1.5 hours, and then we'll work out your game plan and proceed further. Okay, in that line of thinking, you will move forward. Okay, and secondary property, you need to have a minimum inventory of 50 to a maximum inventory of 200. Okay, why is it required? Because unless you have so many inventories in hand, then no buyer will respect you. If you have only 1 or 2 properties in hand, he will say that okay, iske paas to zyada property nahi hai, so no options are available. So I would rather move on to anybody else, because he is going to put his life savings in property. that guy is not going to decide based on one property that you are going to show him. So unless you have different values, right from 25 lakhs to 5 crores of value, you should be having properties in your hand. So somebody says that I want a property at 25 lakhs. You should say, yeah, I have. Don't worry, I have got 5 options for you. Okay, come over. Right now, when he says that no, I want 25 lakhs in Jayanagar. Okay, then you need to immediately pull out the Jayanagar property list and tell him, see, Jayanagar market rate is, each rate is going at about 5 crores and above, 3 crores, 5 crores and above. You want a property at 25 lakhs in Jayanagar. How is it possible? Is it possible to achieve? But you need to have that comparative statement. You can't orally tell him that, nahi sir, market mein aisa nahi hai. Or that they won't believe you. But when you take up property listing and show them, you see, these are the properties available with me, okay, which are for sale. I have got about 12 properties in Jayanagar for sale. Look at the 12 properties details. What is the kind of pricing that is going on there? How is it possible for you to get 25 lakhs? He will believe you at that time. Till then, he will not believe you. Okay. But so then, okay, but don't worry. 25 lakhs, you will get property. But 25 lakhs, you will get it in Nelamangala. You will get it in Tumkur Road. You will get it in Devanili side. So you need to give him that option. I have got these kind of properties available in these locations at all. See, 25 lakhs, this is what is available. How about thinking about this? Right? Or can you stretch a little more? Supposing you want somewhere closer to this area. Can you stretch your budget to, let's say, about 40 lakhs or 50 lakhs? Is it possible? This is how we need to convince the customer and make him aware. Only facts will speak. No oral communication. So for that, you need to be prepared with all these ammunitions. If you don't have these records in hand, then you are not going to succeed in this business. Oral communication will not help. Facts and figures. You know, you joined because I showed you testimonials, right? That is why you joined. Simply if I had told you that, no, don't worry, my team is doing very well. You know, they are all having any number of, excellent number of leads and all that. You won't believe me. Nobody will believe. But if I show you the CRM sheet, which says that 800 leads are available. Here is Alpesh, who has got 83 leads in his account. Here is Narayan, who has got 200 plus leads, who has got in his account. Here is Sudesh, who cracked a deal on so and so date. If I say like this, you will believe and you join. That is why you are joined. Same way, buyers will believe only facts and figures. Sellers also will believe only facts and figures. So you need to have these facts and figures with you. Otherwise, you will not be able to convince anybody. Okay. We'll move on to next. Next, we will move on to Saravanan Ramachandran. He is very new, but he has gone through that one-on-one session and all that. I want him to share his experience. Saravanan.
Yes, sir. Good morning to all, and warm welcome to Mr. Ram and Geeta. So I'm very new to the system actually. It's around 10-15 days. 3 things I want to share with you. The first thing, in this community, we will get regular routine work actually. So it's a discipline we will get. So starting from wake up at 5 o'clock and writing goals, whatever Sridhar sir taught us, we should blindly follow. First thing. And second thing, as in real estate, so everyone do sales only. As a real estate agent, everyone do sales only. From Sridhar sir, we can know how to do marketing. So that too in digital mode. So in very big companies, very big builder concerns like Purvangara, so they have separate marketing team and separate sales team. So here we can know how to do the marketing in the digital mode, how to keep engage your leads, for how to preserve your leads for much more time, for many years actually. So that thing also we can know about Sridhar sir. And third thing, every day we will get some more motivation and positive energy, not only from Sridhar sir. And here we have a lot of experienced people who have plenty of knowledge and experiences. So they share their thoughts. So every day, morning 5 o'clock, if we sit with them, the day will be positive, and it's a lot of learning we can get from them.
Okay. So three things that he was talking about were very, very good points that he has said. You didn't share with them about your one-on-one experience that you had with me. You should
Yes, sir.
share that also.
Yes,
What
sir.
one-on-one? What happened in one-on-one?
So one-on-one, actually, we discuss about he discussed about my current situation. So how this is the possible thing we can do in next 30 days. So how the in resale property, how to find the owners and how to find the buyers. That thing we discussed.
Okay, now I'll give a little more clarity on what this thing. See, he is in a place called Tirunelveli right now, but actually his original place is Chennai. Now his thought process was that he was thinking that when I go to Chennai, I will do business. Okay, which is going to be after 2 months because there is lockdown situation and all that is happening. So how I can sell, how I can show property to people and all that, and if I am not physically present there. So this was his ambiguity before joining Remax. After joining Remax and after having one-on-one discussion with me, I told him the first thing, where the place that you are in Tirunelveli, first you try to sell one rental property in the next 30 days time. For that, what you need to do, right? I told him that pick up about 20 properties from the local area, okay? And then keep communicating with them through messages. And he has done that. He has got confirmations from people saying that, yes, I'm ready to, give you property for selling and for renting. And that kind of positive replies he has got. Then later on, what he did was he learned how to post a property in the Remax Ace Reality website. He posted that, and then it was supported by Savita by uploading that in another portal, outside portal OLX. And I think you got some leads?
No,
you got?
sir, not yet.
Not yet. Okay, I think it has happened recently. So now the mind shift was that from a thinking where next 2 months he won't be able to do anything. Now there is a little bit of confidence has been built in his mind on an area that yes, I can do rental. Number one. Number two, he has also prepared a groundwork now for identifying one. He has identified one developer in two developers in Chennai. Okay, and two developers are, one is in OMR. I mean, both are in OMR.
DRA, Akshaya. DRA and Akshaya.
So where are these developers? This thing.
So all over Chennai they have projects.
Yeah. So now the strategy, the Navalur and all that he has got. Correct. I remember. So now the strategy that we are following is that now he has now formed a group of WhatsApp group and inviting all other agents to get into that group. Okay. Once he gets a reasonable size of agents in that group, okay, then I will get into the picture and then start giving them inputs on training. How do you market on this particular property, etc., etc. How is that the outside agents are coming inside? How they can do that? Okay, there is a hidden agenda behind that. Outside agents are coming to this group because today or tomorrow they will join Remax. Okay, but in the initial 30 days time, I'm going to give them some free training. So there is a rapport being built up between us. Okay, and there is an income source that I'm going to give to Saravanan on two aspects. One, when he gets a lead, okay, directly, he will get his share. Like we have that 50-50 sharing pattern and all that he will get it. Now, because he has formed that group of people, right? In that group, if people sell from that group, right, he will get 10% of the brokerage commission that those people are selling about. They will get their 50%. From the other 50% that is coming to Remax, from that he will get 10% of that. That is the second revenue stream. The third revenue stream is that now from that group, there are agents who are going to join. This is open for everybody. Okay, all of you, I hope if you are not aware, just listen to this carefully. There is an open opportunity for everybody else. Okay, that in case those people join Remax, okay, these people pay up some money and join, like how you paid money and then you came in. Then from that also, there is an amount that he will be getting as a referral bonus, because it is because of him that this person was able to come and join Remax. So he gets referral bonus. Our people have utilized this opportunity and they have got, okay. And there are a couple of people who have got that. Many people have not made an attempt and they have not utilized this opportunity to a great extent. But you can you can think of generating revenue even through this source. Now, what is that amount that is going to be? Number one, if it is 17,700 rupees payment made by an individual, first actually is 29,500. After the lockdown, it will go back to 29,500. When it becomes 29,500 rupees, the referral bonus that each person can get on each enrollment will be around 5,000 rupees per person. Okay. Then if it is 17,700 rupees, it will be 3,000. Okay. If it is 13,500, it will be 2,500. Okay. So these are the three slabs. What is this 13,500 rupees which other people have not heard? Is 13,500 rupees is for women entrepreneurs. If any women is joining, so this is the kind of money that we collect from them. 13,500. Okay. Men, it is 17,500, 17,700. Now only these two slabs are available. 13,500 and 17,700 is available. Okay. Fine. So this is what now I think how many group members have joined in your WhatsApp group? How many people are there?
32 members are there.
32 members are there already joined who have shown interest in promoting that product, that particular project. So he is not alone. Now he has got a team of 32 members, outside members, who will help him in marketing that project. So are you seeing the opportunity that is available for you, Ram and Geeta?
Sir. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. It's a wonderful opportunity that you are getting. Right. We'll move on to the next person. Utpal. What is your advice to them?
Sir, my advice is that you should, here you will learn a very good way of ethical marketing and ethical business system. And here you will learn more of how to market real estate through digital media without moving. Because of lockdown, we are able to do very good business without moving out of the house. Though the closures are very less, but it seems very clearly that it will be having good closures after the lockdown is over.
I also want you to tell, how many leads, workable leads that you have in hand right now, total number of leads, and then what is the workable leads that you have in hand, so that they get an idea of, what kind of leads that they can generate.
Yeah, in just a matter of 15 days, I had generated around 200 leads, but the workable leads were only 70. But those are all people who want to buy properties. They are sure they want to buy properties during lockdown period also.
He's from Bombay. Unfortunately, physical movement is not at all possible there. Okay, otherwise some closures would have happened for him, but he has got 70 workable leads with him. Okay, out of total 200 leads that he has got, and each one of them are having this kind of leads. Okay, whoever is there with me with the system for the last 2 months, they are all having this number of leads with them. Okay, now interesting person. This person has to tell you his experience also. Sudesh, please give your advice to Ram and Geeta.
Yeah. Good morning, all. I welcome Madam Geeta and Ram in our dashing and very successful group. I joined here as a developer, broker, and also investor.
Show your face. No, why don't you show your face? Why don't you show your face?
Yeah, sure. Yes. I'm not giving advice.
I think Geeta is also a developer, right? Okay. So you tell that what is the land that you have. That also you give a little bit of brief about what sort of a developer you are, and all that.
Okay, I'm having five lands. One is bigger, that is nearly 6,80,000 square feet. Another is 2 lakh square feet. Another is 17,000 square feet, and another is 45,000 square feet. And one is small land, 430 square meter. It is a settlement, and I'm going to construct there 8-flat building there. Just recently got the technical license from the TCP, and getting in few maybe next week construction license from the panchayat. So these are the lands I'm having, and in the Shiroda where I'm having 6,80,000 square feet. I have developed their plots in one part of it, that is 108 plots of 2,500 square feet approximately, and sold nearly 60 plots. But due to the government law, all are orchard plots, but we have applied for the conversion of it, and the process is in pipeline. So maybe 2 months, 3 months it may get, but still we are selling that with the help of MOU and all, and it's going on. So I have sold in this after this pandemic one plot, and I think nearly 6 to 7 plots are in pipeline. So in the next,
yeah, and you need to give a little bit of point on. Before joining Remax, you spoke to me over the phone about this land problem that you had.
Yeah.
What was my solution for that?
Yeah. I was worried about this property since in these properties my money is there, but also my client's money is there. Bank's money are also there. So due to the government law, the property got stuck, and my all money were blocked. So I was worried. So when I got the Sridhar sir, so before joining, I asked him that shall I get the solution for this problem? So he told me yes, and he gave me problem like for one property. He told me if I have applied for conversion and it is sure to get, whenever it may be, maybe 1 year, 2 years, then you can go for a project, and you can plan for the project, and then you can announce it and get the orders, or maybe this booking by two things: one advance booking and the monthly booking for a period of maybe 2 years, 3 years, till that you get the permission from the government. And once you get the permission, then you start the construction, and then you get the difference amount from the one who booked the amount.
The solution that I gave him was go for EMI booking. There are a lot of people who don't have down payment. Because of down payment, they will not be able to book. So if you tell them that, okay, you pay 25,000 rupees per month, or 20,000 rupees per month, or 15,000 rupees per month, that is possible from their side, but they may not be able to give you 5 lakhs, 3 lakhs, 4 lakhs and all those things. So why don't you announce this EMI scheme and then try to get this money? And immediately on that day, he consulted his chartered accountant, and chartered accountant told him that it's a brilliant idea. It's a brilliant idea. So go ahead and do that work. So from that day, his confidence level boosted after that. And then now he started promoting that very, very confidently. Before that, he was just stuck on that, and he was only mentally worried about that particular project. Okay. You didn't give her the tips. What tips that they should follow?
Yeah, one major tip is you cannot do anything unless you are self-disciplined. So in that, there are two things. One is hearing daily of Earl Nightingale.
Absolutely.
Strangest secret in the world.
So
so that one I will suggest that you have to, you can hear that daily without fail. And in that you will be he says that if you want to streamline your life, you have to streamline your thinking, and thinking streamlines you will get help from the Earl Nightingale. There are 12-13 parts in that. If you hear it, you can make it out what are the things. Like if you become as you think, then the faith you have to be like that. There are 12 points. And another thing I will suggest for self-discipline is to have Microsoft to-do list. That means whatever work you are doing, maybe in personal, family, business, or social life, all the things you have to organize. And for organizing, you can take the help of Microsoft To-Do list.
This
So
is
these 2 points I will suggest.
Both these things have been introduced in the system of Remax, not Remax, Sridhar Remax. It's not there in other franchisee offices and all that. I have introduced this system so that you are all self-disciplined in that, and every one of them are following. In fact, I keep getting Microsoft To-Do list even today from Sudesh. Every day I keep getting in one of that to-do list where he will have multiple things to do. Then second thing, he will take a selfie of goal writing and then he will send it to me. Why am I insisting that? Because it's a new habit. The new habit people will not follow. So I insisted that for the next 30 days time, you both should write your goals and take a selfie and send it to me. Okay. Then Microsoft To Do also, you write it and you take a screenshot of that and then you send it to me. What is this Microsoft To Do? I'll give you one video of that available, how to do all those things. You get into that and do that. Why it has to be
no
done?
Need of taking selfie, sir.
Selfie is not.
In Microsoft, there is no now need selfie. You can send it directly from the.
But many people are taking a screenshot and sending it to me. Okay. So, point that I'm trying to say is that this 30 days habit, if you follow, after that, you don't have to send me. After that, you will follow on your own. But the first 30 days is crucial. In this group also, some of them have not been able to follow that. Okay. That is why they are not able to send me. But those who are following are sending me, and those who are following, who are sending, are seeing also results. Okay. Because that is a discipline, habit. You have to be self-disciplined. Okay, now we will move on to, I think we have come to the closure almost. Yogesh, would you like to give them any tip?
So almost all the points are covered.
But you would like to say anything from your side? You have been given an opportunity to tell them something.
Sir, this is a very superb line. Self-belief and confidence one must have to go ahead. And what I've learned is I do follow the to-do list, being aware of your goal and writing it. And yes, discipline and digital marketing is the thing that is going on. So, and yes, lots of small things of what to say, what not to say, what to message, what not to message, and this kind of small points that do help to communicate and to make sure the deals go through well. And what else?
You are missing one point, Yogesh. You said that the biggest takeaway from the program that you have learned in the last 2 months' time was that the attitude of helping the buyers and the tenants.
Yeah, absolutely.
That you did not say that. How you were thinking earlier and how it transformed after attending this program. Then your mind totally shifted right from there. And your interaction, your results, everything changed after that.
Absolutely.
Yeah, that point.
The main point is the mindset. Yeah, mindset. With your mindset, and yes, as Sir said, the intention should be how do I help people to buy a house or rent a house. So that's something I do follow right now. And was one thing which is shifted in me is the total mindset of how inside me, am I totally convinced and I do have the belief system of what my goals are, and I do if whether I truly believe, then I'll be getting it. If I believe, it happens. So that is one thing that is also shifted. It's the inside mindset. Because if you are not convinced about your goals, or if you're not convinced, then it doesn't happen. So one has to be totally convinced in what your goals are, and if you're convinced it and you discipline it, the goals can be achieved. So that is
okay. So then we will have a last word from Sunny and then Sandeep Panda. These two people. After that, we will have a discussion with them, and then we'll wind up. So now we'll move on to Sunny. Sunny.
Yeah, hi. This is Sunny from Hyderabad. So most of my points have been opened up from seniors and everyone. So what I wanted to say is like planning your day, which is related to your personal as well as the real estate. So when you plan your day with segregating the time on your goal writing, working on your income goals, listening to strangers' secret, everything, you'll follow in systematic way.
And there'll be a total mind shift on that.
Yes.
Right. Okay. The way you approach your life will change now. Totally. Totally it will change. Sandeep Pandaji. आप Hindi both of you can understand?
Yeah. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes,
First, I welcome to both Mr. Ram and Geeta madam and congratulate them for making right decision to join our team. As joining with Mr. Sridhar, you already started your journey toward achieving your dreams. I would like to suggest to both of them is not to miss a mentorship program for a single day and follow the system asked by him, like goal writing, hearing night angles video, marketing strategy, documentation, and property finding and posting. If you follow the system, you will definitely success. Thank you.
Great. So now over to Ram and over to Geeta for you to tell the rest of the crowd that what you feel about today's program and how you are going to approach now from today.
Chandrasekhar wanted to say something, I think.
Chandrasekhar, yes, you are welcome to say that. Yes, I always keep him in the last because he will have a lot of points to say about. Yeah, okay. Anyway, let him say that. Let him say. Yeah.
Yes. Good morning to everybody. Good morning, Mr. Ram and Madam Geeta.
He is a person who recently received 2.9 lakhs check. Okay. Yeah. Go ahead. Yeah.
Welcome both of you to this beautiful association leading by Mr. Sridhar. So I have been associated with him since from 1.5 years. And a few things I would like to tell very briefly. One is the company, the Remax. So without Remax, no chance of success in real estate business. I do agree. And also, the person who is already successful in this business is so important. He is a mentor throughout our career. So the very system is that if one follows 100% system, the success is guaranteed. So people may fail, but system will not fail. That is guided by every day he is putting his effort from morning till evening. Every second and a fraction of a second we are utilizing by him, but we are not following fast. Actually, he is very, very fast, and we have to follow him very fast and implement the ideas what he is getting in his mind. 100% success we get. And also, being Geeta Madam is also a developer, you can sell your properties on the platform of Remax. And it is an opportunity to expand our business around the globe, a network around the globe, not restricted to only that is our lane only. One is the system is there, the technology is there. We are not adopting even few percent of the technology at all, and a very good relationship, a positive mental attitude. There are so many properties are lying in Bangalore, in India, around the globe. There are so many people who are there to sell their properties. There are so many people who would like to buy the properties with the right consultant. So you have to take care of them, speak very beautiful language with them, and build a beautiful relationship with them, sell the projects, and become rich and wealthy, and also healthy also, to travel around the globe to enjoy the beauty of this beautiful Mother Earth. So thank you very much, Mr. Sridhar sir. An opportunity given for me. And this is a Remax is number one, and mentor is number one, and Remax is second, and the system, the third one. 100% follow the system, you will get 100% success. And the beautiful team, that is very important. We help each other, we work as a team, so together everybody achieves more, is a secret of success. Thank you, sir. Have a good day.
Yeah, anybody else would like to come forward and say something? If not, then we will hand it over to Ram and Geeta to tell us their learning of today's program.
Sir, from today's speech,
Huh.
whatever I heard from the people, the first thing what I have learned is discipline is very, very important.
Yes.
And second thing is we'll have to follow things systematically.
Correct. Right.
So all these days I was working very vaguely, I think because of which I could not succeed. So now, it makes sense for me that I have joined Remax at the right time.
Right.
I'll have to follow things systematically with a discipline. And I'm confident I can succeed.
Yeah, the path now, the road is earlier I think you were going in zigzag roads and all that. Okay.
Yes, yes.
Mud roads and all that. Now I'm going to tell you that this is the road that you have to follow to reach your destination. Right?
Yes, yes.
You follow that and you will reach your destination. Happily. Yeah. Ram, what would you like to say?
So first of all, thanks for everyone to give the value points how to be in the Remax system. The first thing. And second, I understanding that there is some extraordinary system which I can follow and I can get success.
Correct. And in that,
by seeing everybody's experience, I understood that there is a system. If you follow the system, I'm getting success.
Correct.
That's it, sir.
And in the group, people are not ordinary people. You know, Mr.
All are veterans.
Mr.
Yes.
Damneji is, is a developer. Sudesh is a developer.
Okay.
Their net worth and all, if you see, it's very, very high. In fact, last year, Damneji's earning is about 50 lakhs. Okay. This year, he has joined Remax with one single goal, that he wants to touch 1 crore. Right. And you see, and he has got a fantastic learning attitude. And you know how he has changed the entire group of people here. On one single day, I gave him an opportunity to talk as to how are you following your system, this system which we are adopted. He went on to say that how he is adopting and all that. He made one statement at the end. He's 65 years old and he has joined a dance, singing music class, singing. Okay. That he said that at the age of 65, no, I mean, I want to learn a lot. So I'm now joining one music class and then I'm trying to learn something from music. Okay. That one statement made another Sandeep Panda. Okay. The Sandeep Panda, he went and joined computer class, an English speaking class, because he's little weak in English, but he spoke very well today. Okay. He was very weak and he was actually hesitant in going and joining English speaking classes and all that. But because even at the age of 68, when 65, when Damneji is going and learning music, why I should not learn? It inspired him and he went and joined English speaking class. So this is how we help each other in this group. Okay. And Dr. Chavan, you know, he is 68 and he's Vastu person means I mean, in fact, if I know him for the last about 6-7 years now, 5-6 years, I think I know him. The house that I'm staying here is because of him. He came and approved that this is the flat that you should buy. Then I bought. Okay. If he has rejected many flats in the past, he said, no, don't go for this. Don't go for that. He will not give you any kind of, destruction suggestion and all that. Simple techniques. One just put one, green label in the entrance, and then some some yellow labels near the commode of this thing. These are the small things which he told me. I was not getting loan sanctioned, for despite my income, my bank statement was very good. My wife's bank statement was very good. Everything was very fine. But even then, no, my CIBIL score was very good. There was no problem and all that. In spite of that, loan was not getting approved for some reason or the other. He gave one simple technique. He said, I think in the northwest corner of your house, there is one black cabinet which is there. Just shift that a little, okay, to your there. He did not see my house at that time. Just over the phone, he's telling me, just shift that about 45-degree angle. And you see, and paste the bankers where you have applied. Paste the bankers logo. Take a printout of that and paste the logo there, and you will get result. Within 15 days, I followed that. Within 15 days, I got my loan sanction and I moved in here. So we have got people like that in this group. What I'm trying to say is like that. Chandrasekhar, great meditation. Meditation, the entire group has been learning from him in terms of meditation. What kind of meditation you have, how you can reach the divine spirituality and all that, he is able to say. And there was a time when Chandrasekhar was not able to get up from his bed, and not 1 day, 2 days. It was for years. I think for months together, he was not able to get up. That was, his bone became stiff, and he could not get up, and he became a useless material in his house. Not able to go for bathroom, not able to go for this thing. That was his condition. From that condition, today he's absolutely disease free. There is not a single problem in his health today. How did this happen? Through his meditation, through the belief that he had. And he did that meditation. Only from the mind, he went to different doctors and all that. Nothing happened. He spent lakhs of money on allopathy and other things. Nothing happened. Then one fine day, he met somebody, some guru. And that guru advised him, do this simple technique, that's all. And then from that day, when he started doing it, today he is in a position to teach everybody how you can be healthy. Okay, you are in this kind of a group. Okay, we have got these kind of people in our this thing. Narayan from Goa, he is a very experienced person and very methodical, very dignified, and very relaxed person he was. Today he is called as Mr. Remax by his wife, because from morning 4:30 onwards till 11:30 he is busy in a place like Goa. I'm telling you, in a place like Goa, nobody can be so busy like the way he is, because everybody chills out. Everybody, after 2-3 hours of working, they get into wine and dine. These are the two things that is there in Goa. Am I correct, Narayan? This is the lifestyle of people in Goa.
Goa people enjoy, actually.
Goa people enjoy. This man till 11:30 he is working. Okay, he is totally tied up. How? After joining Remax. Prior to Remax, no, he was free. Only 2 hours he was working. After joining Remax, he doesn't have time at all. He doesn't want to go to bed and sleep. He doesn't want to go to dining table and eat food. He's always in front of computer doing work. We have got people like that. And Sudesh is a big developer. He has got 4 verticals. He has got wealth management. Sudeshji, one is a developer. Then he has got foundations. He's I think taking care of some 4 foundations or something like that. Okay.
Yeah.
That is this thing. And we have Utpal Mehta. So such a dignified person in the group. You can take help from him. Then we have got Utpal Mehta, who is an industrial segment specialist. Prior to joining Remax, he was more concentrating on industrial segment. Okay, once in a while, some deals will happen and all that, but good deals will happen. But once in a while, it used to happen. Now he has shifted his mindset totally to residential, and he's having around 200 leads in his hand right now. He's sitting on that 70 leads, 70 workable leads, and in Bombay, he has got properties worth 10 crores and above. Okay, one deal of 10 crore will give him very good commission. 10-15 lakhs he will be able to earn in one single deal. That's the kind of captive audience that he's sitting on. So he's there. These are the kind of people who are there in this group. And you will be, and we got Alpesh. Alpesh is what? And he has got, he has got a distributorship, and he is absolutely a layman. He knew nothing about real estate, but in 4 days he picked up real estate. In just 4 days, and now he's sitting on 83 leads in this thing. So that is how this team is all about. Okay, so you are in the right place. God bless you. Don't miss the videos that I keep sending you. Keep watching that video vigorously. I'm not. I made a mistake of sending all videos to Saravanan, so he has not been able to go methodically. Okay, I'm not going to send you all videos at one time. I'm going to send you one video at a time. You finish that video, ask for the next video. Okay, then I'll give you the next video, because then it will be sequentially you will be going through and you will be able to understand how to take it forward. So the group of videos, when I send it in one shot, you will not know which one to see first, which one to see next. But there is a sequence that you have to see. You have to see this first, then the next one, then the next one, then the next one. Then it will give you some sort of clarity on how do you approach your business. Okay. Thank you so much.
Okay.
It was wonderful, and God bless you. Yeah. Yes, Utpal.
Thank you. Thank you.
Sir, tomorrow Chandrasekhar sir's class.
What is that? Meditation.
Yeah, tomorrow Saturday, sir.
अच्छा, वो every Saturday करना है.
Yes, sir.
Okay, done.
Sir, now yesterday we have fixed.
हाँ.
Every Tuesday.
हाँ.
Chauhan sir's class.
For Vastu. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Oh, very nice. Very nice. Good. Then
Every Thursday my class.
Oh, every Thursday is your class. Okay.
And every Saturday Chandrasekhar sir's class.
Super. And now
Meditation, and Vastu, three subjects we have.
Regarding Earl Nightingale.
Oh, super. And Earl Nightingale, yes, I will conduct a special class for that. Okay. Ram and
Put it on Sunday. 7 days a week.
Ram and Geeta. Okay. See, my program is on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Okay.
Yes. Okay.
5:30 in the morning. Now Tuesday, these people have decided. Okay, they have taken a decision. These people have decided that Tuesday, Dr. Chauhan will talk on Vastu. Okay, and Thursday, Utpal will give training on computer classes.
Digital.
Okay. Yeah, and on Saturday, Chandrasekhar will give class on meditation. Okay. Right. Now, so you need to keep watching the group. In the group, the links will be posted. My links will be posted on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and also any other webinars and all those things I'll be posting.
Okay.
But guys, you need to take responsibility of posting the link. Like yesterday, it should not happen. Yesterday, it should not happen. So Dr. Chauhan, if he has to conduct on Tuesday, then who will he should know how to send the link and all that. आपको मालूम है
I can do it.
Yeah.
I can do it.
You can do it, right? Create a new link and then post it in the group, and they will all join for that program.
I will do it for Dr. Chauhan.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you.
Shekhar, tell me.
Who is going to give the link to me, sir?
Utpal.
Utpal ji.
Sir, Sudesh ji, yeah.
Sudesh ji will give it for Chauhan ji.
Yeah.
Okay, Utpal will give for Chandrasekhar.
Okay, I'll give the link today.
Yeah.
Send the link to everybody.
Okay. See you then. Bye-bye.
Sir, regarding Nightingale.
Yes, tell me.
Regarding Nightingale, when will be the workshop?
I see. Do you want me to do it in the mentorship program time, or can I do it separately?
Separately better, sir.
Separately will do better.
Yeah, only on that subject.
Only on that subject. Okay. Sunday will do this Sunday.
Yeah, no problem.
This Sunday there are two things which you have to do. One is there is a virtual expo at 5 o'clock.
Evening.
Okay. Evening one is there, and the other one is Calcutta. 10 to 6 is there.
Oh.
10 to 6. 10 to 6. Morning 10 to evening 6. Okay, but you need to visit and see how the platforms are being utilized and all that. It is a massive, very good platform. 40 lakhs the company has invested on that, and developers are asking for platforms to be given on rent, and the charges are 3 lakhs per day.
Okay.
So it will appear, it will give you a feeling of a real offline exhibition, how it will be. You go to a stall, right? Buyer will go to a stall, spend time in that particular stall, right? Like that, even in virtual digital world, you can do that. That is a platform that Remax has got now.
Great.
Okay.
Okay. So Sunday we have got 10 to 6. So some of the time you need to go and visit that. I'll be posting that link. I've already posted that link in group. Again, I will post it as a reminder. Log into that, and there will be, apart from that, Ram and Geeta, just keep watching that group, because many other links also I'll be posting it there. Some other programs conducted by some other officers, right? Some project presentations will be there. A new developers presentation will be there. Something very interesting and all that, I'll be posting it whenever, wherever. If I want all of you to participate, I will specifically mention that don't miss this. So when I say don't miss this, follow that and you just attend that. There are certain things simply I'll be posting it. Whoever is interested, they can participate, because there will be too many things that is happening in this digital world right now. Okay. So everything we cannot keep on attending. If we keep on attending that, when will we do our business? So certain things you have to ignore and certain things you have to follow. Whatever is ignorable, I myself will not post it. Okay. But whatever has to be seen by some people, I will post it. Whatever has to be seen by every one of you, I will mention specifically. Don't miss it. Okay. Bye-bye. See you.
Thank you.
Yeah, sir. But Sunday, what time, sir?
Sunday, I'll announce it. I'll put it in the group.
In the morning or after that?
I think preferably morning is better. Morning is better. Because
what time?
Same time, 5:30.
5:30?
Sunday 5:30. Okay. You want to relax?
No, that is a Sunday.
Sunday, all nightingale, no? So can we do it at about 6:30?
Yeah, we'll do.
5:30 is better, sir.
5:30 for you better, man. But for others, let people relax on Sunday.
30 everybody will get up.
6:30 is okay?
Yeah.
6:30 will do.
Fine.
Or 7 is okay, I think.
7 na? 7 to 8 हो जाएगा ना. मेरा walking सब.
That is the work actually.
मेरा walking disturb हो जाएगा.
So best time is 5:30.
Best time is 5:30.
Okay, then 6:30.
5:30 is the best time.
6:30 people will get up in the family.
Okay, no. Now I'm going to take a poll. Just a minute.
6:30.
No, just I'll take a poll now. Okay. Based on the poll, I will take a decision.
5:30.
Shit.
Okay, now I'm launching. Okay. Launched. Are you able to see?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Now you put your remarks in that, and then I want to see how it is, and then I'll share the result.
Sir, how long will be the
1 hour, 1 hour. Okay, over? Everybody has done it?
Yes.
No. Still 2 more people are there. Two more people are
stuck.
Now only one person is left. Oh my God. I'll end the poll. Okay. And I'm sharing the result. So what is the result?
5:30.
What is the result?
5:30.
So everybody wants it at 5:30. Okay. So we'll go with 5:30 on Sunday. Right.
Fine, sir.
Okay. Bye-bye.
When will be the next class for the auto response?
Is the 5:30?
Which one? What is it?
Get response.
Today evening.
Today.
Today evening, 5 o'clock.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll be posting in the group link.
Okay.
Yeah. Right. Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye.